back to my YouTube channel. I am dressed.
We were ordering some drinks.
And I'll be heading to town. I just have one particular thing I want to do. I just want to check out something and I'll be back home.
You said it would be alright. I tried.
Hi guys. I just got back. See, whenever I come back, you can differentiate from the place my wig stop and my face. Now you see that my face is darker and then this face kind of light. I think it's the sun and everything, and I always wear my kamsi before going, but I feel that helps, though it's not sunblock, but I feel it helps. I'm supposed to upload a video today. I already uploaded that video yesterday. If you see my previous vlog, I told you guys that I want to start uploading my video in the middle of the night, so I'll be able to use the midnight subscription and my data is not just going to be going like that. So I did that. I uploaded the video already yesterday, but it's on private. So once this is fair, I'm going to public it and then it's going to be out. So if you have not seen any of my vlogs, because what I'm uploading today is a vlog, so if you've not seen any of my vlogs, please do that. So yeah, basically that is it. Guys, I am so hungry, so I think I might just go get something to eat. The weather is not really bright today. I don't know, my face is looking some kind of way. Yeah, so I'll see you all later.
Stop you asking why. You started out to face it. My heart went off like crazy. You pressed your arms on my head. We fell into my small bed. You started out to face it. My heart went off like crazy. I felt my breath first again. We were about to make it.
Hello. I'm currently in Daniel's room. My babies are coming back tomorrow, David and Daniel. So if you have been on the channel, you know that I've been using Daniel's room to film for the longest time. So I want to take back all my equipment. So I want to relocate back to my room. I'm going to take everything back to my room now. I'm also going to try and clean up the room. I'm going to clean up this room and also David's room. Guys, I'm happy they're coming back home, but then I really love this space for filming. So yeah, I'm going back to my room. So let's start the cleanup now, okay?
Need to be asleep, need to feel a dream, holding on to reach. You started out to face it, my heart went.
So I'm done. So I told you guys I was going to clean 2 rooms. Yeah, that was like 2 rooms, 2 bedrooms, but eventually I cleaned 2 rooms and 3 bedrooms. Why? My cousin asked me to help him clean his own, and after all the I beg, let me just try and be a good cousin. Yeah, so I did. So yeah, I'm done. I am so tired. This is past 1 or 2. I would not know the exact time, but yeah, what else? I want to have my bath right now because guy, I am very dirty. After that, today is Tuesday. Yeah, so today is a study day for me in my calendar, so I'm going to try my best to study. I don't think I'm going to do anything again today that requires me vlogging. If there is anything, I'm definitely going to add it to this vlog because I just want my vlog to be coming alive every time. I hope you enjoy, Sha. Please do. Yeah, so I'll see you all later.
You started out to face it.
Guys, so today is Thursday. I just came back. I actually went to the hospital. I had like 1 or 2 things to do there. I want to start taking my makeup serious, yeah, like telling people about my makeup, because since I came back home I have not told anybody, like one single person in Abuja, that hey, I'm a makeup artist and all of that. Yeah, and so one of my friends were talking on IG, and then he told me that I should be, even if I don't have like a card or a flyer, but I should be making awareness, telling people that okay, see, I'm a makeup artist, send them to my IG page, and then let them know that I'm into makeup. So I have a friend of mine. I posted a makeup picture on makeup artist group on Facebook, and then a friend of mine told me that she would like to model for me. So I messaged her, and then I told her okay, she should come over. I think I want to do, okay, so I'm going to do a makeup on her, and then try and take nice picture and make a flyer with it by myself. So I'll be able to maybe tell people to repost that flyer, and then the people that I can see, I think I'm going to start with church. Those people from church, I'm going to tell them, okay, see, I'm into makeup in case they're interested and stuff like that. Yeah, so that's like it. And I'm very late. I thought I had to come by 12. I had to move the time to like 1:30 because of I did not know I was going to get delayed at the hospital. So yeah, I just came back. It's almost 1:30, and I have to make everything ready before she comes. There's no light. I think I'm going to turn on the gen. Also, I have been longing to have a spray bottle because I got this wig and it needs like a spray bottle. So I'm supposed to use a spray bottle. So I've actually not used that wig because I've not gotten a spray bottle, and me using just water is going to take my time when I want to put on that wig. So spray bottle should be something that I should get, and I've been looking for it in Kubwa. I did not see it. This guy just told me today I should check in the chemical shop. So when I went there, I saw the bigger one of this, and I also saw this one. It was for the same price. This is just for 250, but I was like, that bigger one, it's not be, I'll not be able to take it around. Maybe I want to travel or something like that, but this one, it's very portable and I'll be able to take it around. So I got this one. It's for 250. It's quite cheap. So I got a comb and then a hairbrush, and then I got my stethoscope. The one I have here at home is bad. I used to check my parents' blood pressure. This was for 900. It was quite cheap. I was not expecting it, but yeah, saving my money. Yeah, so that is it. Let me just get everything set. Then yeah, bye. Hi guys, so this is Victoria. I know I told you that she was going to come model for me today. We have been friends from like since childhood, but then I left that particular location and then we lost contact for like the longest time. But see who is here. Idea, say hello. Hello. So she's going to be my model for today. I'm going to be doing her makeup right now. Everything is all set. So once we are done, I'm going to come back and show you guys how the makeup turns out to be. Okay, bye. Hi loves, good morning. Do you know what? Anytime I wake up, my nose used to be big. Okay, so yeah, yesterday's makeup was very successful. I'm so grateful for that, thank God. So today is Friday, so basically I have like some things to do. I have some things here that I want to print out for my internship, and then after that I'm going to make that flyer. So I'm making the flyer myself. Yeah, so I'm going to make the flyer, and I'm going to, on a normal, I just need to make them and have them on my phone and then send to people, tell them to help me repost. But then when Victoria came yesterday, she told me that I should print them out, and then I should go to like all these photography shop, I don't know which one is correct, yeah, and I should give them the flyer. That sometimes they do need makeup artists to help make their customers up, and then maybe the ones they have are not available, so they might give me a call when I give them my flyer. So basically I'm going to try and do everything, do that flyer today, and then also go print it out today. So that's like the agenda for today. So I just woke up. I want to head to the kitchen for the normal everyday thing. So after that, I'll start with this stuff I want to do for internship, and then I'll start my flyer, and by the grace of God, I'm going to do everything today. Yeah, so I think, is there any other thing I want to do? No, I'm done editing the video for Monday already. I finished that last night. So yeah, that is it. I'll see you all later. Bye. And if you are seeing this video in the morning, I hope you said your prayers. Yeah, I'm going to start praying for my subscribers. That should be like a new prayer point. Yeah, what do you think? Okay, see you all. Bye. So just in case you don't know, food makes me happy. Food makes me happy, but as much as food makes me happy, I try not to eat much because little things make me fat. Okay, today Popsy and Momsy want to eat noodles. Then the children, because I don't have strength to make that amount of noodles for everybody. So trust my mom and dad, they're going to eat noodles. And every other person is going to take tea. So that's why I went to get bread and egg because there's no egg in the house. So let's run into business. You know that they have like different method of getting slim or different method of watching your weight. So some people exercise, some people take stuff like slimming tea or medications, stuff like that, while some people just try not to eat much. Oh my god, this guy. Okay, like sometimes I just eat food. I'm not saying that it's healthy, I'm not saying that you should do it, because sometimes it makes you lose strength. I've been watching Kamsi's video. Kamsi Naman, she's a YouTuber, and she has been inspiring me to start workout. Well, if I want to lose fat, actually, is my arm fat. I really want to lose my arm fat, and I want to get a flat stomach, and maybe a little uku here and there. Yeah, so basically, all this noise this morning. So yeah, that is it. Right now I'm on my monthly visitor. Once I'm done with that, I think I am going to start working out by God's grace, because workout means you have to wake up earlier than normal. So wish me luck, finger crossed. If I start, you guys will definitely know. The truth about this workout thing is that I will start and I will stop. Like if you've seen like my first vlog on this page, you know that I was working out. But then laziness came in and then I stopped. Then I went back to school. I had a friend that was into this whole gym thing, and then he was always, okay, go and do your workout and everything like that. But then laziness came in again and I stopped. So I think I want to start again because I've seen another ginger which is kamsi. So please, Lord, help me not to stop as I start. And I think I'm not going to make it an everyday thing. I think that is one thing that made me get tired. I should make it like a routine, or not every day. I should just put it in my calendar, the days I want to work out and then the days I'll rest. So I think that is what I'm going to do. So fingers crossed. Guys, our slimming tea is back. Like I said, different people with different things they use. So this is what my brother used, the slimming tea, and I don't have the money for it though. Yeah, once in a while, if he's around, I used to take from it, but this thing is going to make it purge a whole lot, so I hardly take it because it's going to disgrace itself. So I hardly take it. So yeah, I just want to take a teaspoon of it and then use hot water to mix it. So guys, you know what? So I gave his tea already. He finished taking it, and then he's still going to have like the seeds inside. So I just had to use hot water, and then I added hot water to it again. So I'm going to be taking this one right now. And I know I said it's going to purge and all, but then I'm really not doing anything serious today. Place I'm going to print and the flyer is just around my area, it's nowhere far. So it's not nice, it's not bitter either, it's just there. Hi guys, so this is like past 11. I've been lazy. Actually, I've been lazing around, and this is not good because this was not the plan for today. Yeah, so I'm just going to plug my phone because there's no lights. Use a power bank for that and start up. I want to go and have my bath, so before I'm done, phone must have powered up a little bit. So I'm going to start with everything I said I'm going to do today. We must do it. It's a must. So so loves, what's the update? I just finished with the flyer. Guys, I am so proud of myself. I think I'm going to be adding graphics design to my bio soon. Not really good, but I tried. I'm heading out right now, so I am so happy, guys. Yes, I had help from my siblings and my friend because I had to send them the one I did before, and then they made some correction, and then I had to re-edit it, and we came up with this particular one. And a shout out to a friend. I'm going to be leaving his Instagram handle on the screen. He's a photographer, so just in case you're in ABJ, anywhere or you are in, please contact him. He is very good. He was the one that gave me the idea of all of this, and I'm so grateful for that. Thank you again. So I'll see you all later. Bye. Hi guys, so I just came back home. This is past 6 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, this is past 6 and I just got back home. Like, I am so hungry. Like, I've not eaten anything, food today. I'm so hungry. Today has been kind of stressful but very productive, and I'm so grateful for that. So yes, affair is here, guys. I know that the guy to make it like this, so like for you to have this white end, I did not tell him to make it like this. I wanted the edge to still have the same color as this picture, but I went out to use the POS, and when I came back, my guy has done it like this already. It's not that bad. Yeah, it's really nice. I love it. What do you think? It's really nice seeing something you create on your phone come alive. Like, this is really nice because something I made on my phone and then I printed it out. It's really nice. Yeah, giving some to some people when I was coming back. So yeah, guys, I'm tired and I'm very hungry, so I'm going to go and eat right now. And I don't know if I'm still going to cook this night. I don't know yet. I'm just going to come and sit in the water. So yeah, that is it. I'm happy. I hope you are happy too, wherever you are seeing this video. I hope you are happy. If you are not happy, please change your mood. Stay happy. Okay, because of the happiness I am giving to you right now, I'm transferring this happiness. Take it in Jesus' name. Please stay happy. Don't let anything spoil your mood. It's going to be fine. Just keep your head up. Do what you are supposed to do and keep on praying, my dear. It's going to work out fine in Jesus' name. I am so happy and I'm so grateful to be here. I'll see you all later. Okay, bye.